kan fofor eda fofor bosom fofor kra ena nyame na domara odi nkwana ahoden oda na wa ma yehu kan fofor a ebe asedo aseda ya ena ede man ne tase bo ade nyame da ne pe wa ne pe na dom wa ma yeda ho yete nkom wa ma yehu kan a yehu bosom fofor yehu juda fofor kra yehu bi da yes fiti bra tase bo ade nyame bo ne wiade enda jude yehu bi da na se obokoye wa koye fitane pe ya kisi yibiri da eno no owo da o de yeye owo anomoro de yitu ne yehu de enda jude obokoye da mahen yes iti da mujuda yehu wo oye sanabusum meche 2nd February 2026 na baby oshe pa ne ya dudoma ya kwotende ahinyi eti ide jude ya mina na dawo ma oze nkwana wode da chenya de na ta inde do ho demahin ntano pesu mama wakwaba na mama atenasi aboko star television do degetani ya 514 yes degetano channel 54 you go tv do channel 22 you St Edward ne St Augustine when the guitar box nse bushia ne perfect live Facebook or live YouTube so or live nti wo pocha wo mesre wo yidi mara ekọ ho a like ala na share aha o commenting that the commenting ba mesre wala for location location forward na yehu baby a elfrefi meja so etu fe dama mandama aye akono ntane pay menchia momfa nchia sonko momfa mo baby awo bia na momo atrase mbra oye central focus na sanepay ahoden ba ye kase central focus egina na nada oh yamfa seda yamfa ma oye diesel gift shop diesel gift shop edumoku wa ya crowd da wode achedema mo na so da kache wadofo wabra erekire onuodo yankodo edi amaho no hwehwe wechi pedu interbet traffic light na so na diesel shabosa na se medase ko na bi ofamo na waso fo kache wadofo the mara na Edema, king of the universe also where King Kong were building materials. What's our son into building materials in the quality? Papa no woman, what the babon, my adake wijma, esidane security doors, ABC, footings, towels, to papa the buffadano, light over from down, Madame Why, myself on I king of the universe, that King Kong were building materials. Call oya abra. Metre New Sports Stadium ne janshan no pe anaso abrayifua ntabofon abosantintin usuwan king of the universe waso ye krenyen da so na ekọ oye Cape Coast Accra highway ya Central Regional House of Chiefs wono opposite pepe abosantintin usuwan universe waso ye krosin ebusia ne pe ye fast na bi oye NPA National Petroleum Authority also use gas the affordable nti bewo ebe the maraso na fathers asida bi yamfa ma oye finger link fast food and catering services yes finger link fast food and catering services edumoku what's pa na what the bosom they the pa so you feel good pa nti oye ankafo school park junction do pe school park junction no do mesra bo modern ko na onso feed my papa mfansomo okui wona dawo ma na pay center focus ahode na yakase ma yede bosom ho na anepe yebetu nkomo mo yimfi da dependa besen ko na NPP amanye ko koto aba we flag bearer nti ono twe kwan ho we flag bearer eti yebetu da mo nkomo ko community connect the third edition no ye the associate den kra na fourth edition on this week na iburo ye the akrede no ewa ye the akrede no jackpot no baby se ha na ye wuruwa ye community ye boko eti onyanye mpomukra onchere ye hwehwehim debi ye the community all the is it 46 45 electoral areas o Cape Coast Metro assembly ni nanu ye the jackpot na egu ye the egu jackpot nti ye wo wa na ye pick ma community na chere wo community na yerebum ana ye pick electoral area na we electoral area no na yerebum nso pa na former him the in the Monday by the close of the day na ya pick community ya boko na ya de community connect ya de Abraham ebusia na the penabas obasino kwa no community connect ikupe mu oye adesadal na adesadal ya kan adesadal ebusia ma community connect kakra abokosam kakra katse adesadal ebusia mu bo mu bi efabi rende ikonadi oho opeda yeme no kwai oyekona Brazil ebusia adesado kro no oyekona Brazil ebusia monukro na nye obubu kwa no ho na egwediare onya oye bronyi bi na bronyi no wo friend oye Alice na bronyi Alice no obatena oye ekronum na efa kren na American nti bronyi Alice no na egwedi odi oton adar afna wato dom yes nti hona wo fi nkrase da membre no mekire ebubonko eminsa no besekrum abra efutu kakomodo mempiasa hona wo bekrum na oban woba oboto Alice na adal ni bi na wodoko na adal no mosimo ye nam no mosima no ne fempoten oma se wona o ye to ne yose oye Alice na adal ni bi Alice na adal na ndu webuda adesada dabna ti eti efabi ma nchirima wodogbo ahin nti onya adisewo wawo adwan ya woda adesada nkramofo wenti adisa na obetena woda bi de bi oya Alice nti Alice na adal fa the other side so ma wodi chere hine ono so o mai taase de se yereka adesada la no so brain bi betena hoda manu so rekenya oya Alice na Alice no a very hard working woman there is oya bohu there Alice wada anytime bi abobona bu bi pampan no wagero eboko no tena o kire nko there Alice wada nti edabi ende bi mo hwehwa na wo kire me there Alice wada how na obi ka debi Alice onda nti 24/7 time eboko bia Alice hwe nti Alice sad da na ba adna ba yehu the why that Alice order because for the past years na Alice nda today just an appearance being fan to eboko na Alice ho omomo mboa na yi wo kra no na Alice wada Alice ondo Alice onda Alice no webudo adesada yansampa awe na samnetin enti yakupe mu oye adesada wo oye community connector Coastal Television ye bobo ade na assembly members wo hwe adesada community ni na no adesada kitatu electoral area mekire adesada electoral area and sanet tibudakon electoral area na adesada electoral area no honorable Andrews ono na oye assembly member ɔhwɛ at the southern electoral area no na ewusia community connect yanye honorable Andrews Bonkoma ochemu how pia wor from at the southern community no osande yehwa at the southern why road two na mafa na oye culvert yes oye culvert wo oye at the southern da mo culvert nto no wie no wo link gatesen what the far at the southern community no the ko oye at the southern estate na insunu otum opem ko oye ba na so oye car ko no wie no 9 1 2 dam culvert no do ana wan drainage no wanye wan tue do nti wuje ni sinda manti insunu ota ma opo fefi oye ifi at the southern tibu da ko na ma reba at the southern community kronan be bi ankamafo aso da ni sina insunu ofa won einfa fititibu da ko solace mitimi de ina de beri na de mu kwala no afrad wa the southern community no na honorable Andrews or that decided the to abananyim ebusia yen hwe honorable Andrews nsama okay ni bi
na how kasa ayo me de so do yen sanitation yen community ejuma sama yen board sam na yen community ni sese ya say ebo amene ejuma na yen community ni momba so of there osaran ka utum oba obobo ma yen nyina project ejuma kasa osada man no momba yehwe yen previous mpimfa obizi assembly member aye yen papa ankrabu yakopon ofan amana agenda yen papa Mr. Do yakopon fan krentue agenda dam mpimfi obizi assembly man so waye community ejuma ndoma woba no na osenyo pa but obudu nya na yedondo mundu de Saturday yaba ya menedwo bo menedwo ma unya woba no na uje park wo ball nsi bu de mo fama nkese na woba na anu bo baba no polo na obutu wregu announcement na aya announcement for community mi there ye getters no mo asai ye ne border bebe o yetu wregu no onkoye na ye nyina ye mbe na emesiesie no ebo mu de osoma mo fama nkakrama na obutu wregu no pe mfuna o se woba na odu ho a owo bo no womba nti mo fama na aya woba nti dame na oti but munumu de mbebe ya assembly man amede yen community ma ha or schools wa amede yo Anglican Christ Church wa yo St. Nicholas Blamley yo JSS yo Church isi ya yenye Church yo Palahia wa those kano yaba Anglican Church Anglican school wa in fact school no oyaza onkoye kra last 2 weeks moko na teachers ebie ne trauma of a pumping machine oli bonsu fi school dan mu asat now make say ngin zire utum ko school mu sesia nsu abate school ma isi ampo dry season ya yo mu sesia ko aboko na nsu wo school dan mu nti bese MC wotu nenwa arahwe na mo school no na wotum na wesisi ni no azama ekwa esro ho so a so wesi edano or the Christ Church ala
what makes was a GMPC we school den jamo
GMPC
we je mesi wo ma what was abaye ejanan bia
aboko na ejanan bebi a recently teachers from ekokodo do ho na zina so still imidenka wodo ho nanka obabaye still ontum na omameye se besem pemfu de onche wonyo hwe na ma school no school de wa in fact wa bonkofo papa nkofo akoho bebre pemfu otum ho na okọ school ho nti school yo be jejem na onkoye za minjinzire ontwe nti western pemfu de won ti wonyo fa hwe school no fa mayen don't do bi mo so eba St. Nicholas JSS ha St. Nicholas JSS ha ano so one toilet no so oy de city TV mo won ma ho no we buda ma nsu no watsena na school da na ji wa mete ho asam ma mo committee one mistress and madam Philo me ne trase me ne kan wasam instant one ofra assembly if de o ma mo hwe that day me tran wa de nka oba wamba na ono mutu apo mo ko ya makaka chem de wa from one to wa be up to now America say toilet nsu no odawa na mo ha onya kono mo from wozizi wo ho wonam ho we onya hygienic kra nti mesrem paying dem won so gotu na mo no wa hweda ma dumeza what's them na why ya ba fala here school sir fala here school so ya hwa south ha only Islam school sabi owa ha nkofo ba school pa na ko classroom no mu a no mu nyina tutu school den nyina no mu nyina tutu headmaster no asemi si ho na mokoe no say ko classroom mu na fi ya ka classroom no ho na mokoe go hu classroom no mu no obi se wasem na densi na classroom no tsedam na bo ya hagusi ho ko do whole classroom nyina but oya tete pa the best simple for education people won so bache won yora hwe na won told te sam so mfi de nkoye ho afu father na so bi so many years me fi de nka by this time no I say go to more raise edan no so still edan no to more raise so bache won yora hwe da mai ya benya community mi so ankasa every year bi afa na mo road construction here we ya we bridge bi to road na no pe asan che construct road we gatan was ko we do construct we do we road na we ja bridge na ma every year bi nsu kum ha oyi every rain season bi ani fi nya ha nsu kum che besre pe fu de dama mezi okasa na MC okwa pro onche ne yokwa hwe adesa de dama problem na o one on two na ahweda omaye
It's Honorable Andrews. Asemi member dema oye adesadar. Ono na wachire mu oye community connector ye krai. Nti na hwa adesadar community nukwani be school ho aye kra be 3. Yes, Anglican wo 2 ho ansana oye ekra English and Arabic. One so work wo community na nkesesum only a basic school na Coastal Television community connect St. Nicholas basic school na honorable Andrews rekan wasam de wone ejanan wone toilet wone safety tank na wo ye no ho na titi wo mu no yaye mpanyimfo mereke se na best teacher of St. Nicholas. Yes, best teacher of St. Nicholas basic school. Nti no chere at the side hunti ayankokwa osaba ma royals award best teacher of St. Nicholas owo adesadala nata we didi wa to bi egu na so cheche fro wo kire me da wo sinsa wo be school wo no kwani community no ma wo kire amboa boko school dan mu na sabiwa and pay will be the ban fanchem mese when you di mara nkofu we gije wonan basabasa no e de nka tai na oda condom na adi na anya na wo school ho nti wo se community no pay for de motiri bo biala wo ba obeye no wonhwa wonyama won o wo me de wa kan wa sama e fra PTA meeting mese siare no du ntwam but wa kofom nti wo da ho wa da se de no wazere ma usande wanje best teacher award teacher any ranger award na school no musabi mo forma na order wunya eti de popo disua de no fa o haw na tete a o te de mium na en ma me batampa no so ogiran o kese no yente nsama na so kani bi
na odu baby a na ayozuri ya bam kakra se ebia na bibi me today in school ho bi ha mo de ye bebo na toilet na nzama bi a recordo na ye reporter odu baby a na aye de wati odu baby so aye de wanting enti ono na odu baby a na ye kakra bati ofen nkitamuzize ye hu ye na hu ye nde ya chechere fo ho sisi as wa akofo mu kakra na baye 2-3 years zibe no do baby ya baba na wa ko toilet egu yina
how
yenyim bi o ha wall no do headmistress the gate ano no wa ko toilet
hey
no bi o ha classroom na hono yina in fact no o ya ha o do baby kura ye na adwene de ye demonstration na ye bako but ye be na ye ka kire mpanyimfo no ai da wo bo hen ma kasa na ai sisi a ye hu de wa akofom kra na apart from that so ebi ye baba hon na bi ha bo de onu ye ntum ho se community fo se school fo no ka ho bo ne wa ba hye one binazo
wo school
no school tonight it was a problem for us because children in from na yere kire won azan or dey won yantete papa na what the suban papa so easy sanzama bi dey record na oho ye na kire phone because mo from na abazi na obosua mo from na abazi na obo yo me pede me ka kire adesade community ni dey school no ye wana wonazi nti no ye pa wona cho ofan toilet sam na mo from kwa wobo ball to wo friend den wobo ball gu ye ne chance dando otutu o say nti won hwe mayen na wo hia nso se bibia o de won so otwa na mo no wo ho mayen na oyin de ye kan na mo from no so ye kire won aze de dembre nyameze ahye ne nsa o de ye kire won aze ye ne wotumpon na za mepeda mekacha aban ne so de teachers bi mu yare boye ne ho moze ne ye enti ne so odwun mo from no ho aye ondwun teachers ye nso ye ne ho de bia was de was a new strategy about punto yadeba kire mo from naze they should also think about our welfare allowances woman yen bi sika no woman yen bi na fe yen so yen accommodation some na yen transportation so no so no ye easy kakra from mayen na mo from no so ye kire won aze na wotumfo na what ye ma community what ye ma school what ye ma man as a whole and the whole world at large
na manyakopon dia wonum na ma nipan obetum waye ti ye ya church fi se obi gu bibi wo edwuma ne ye mu na omo hu afuto a ozinkan mama kanye de fa akomapa faje osande oyaza ye nyina yerobuwa wo oman ni yeye na numpuntun aze krem na faso ye nya ni sisi ara oye dachi na aza ebe kire no ni enyim nyam no odezi nti se ye sha si ye ya church ye sha si ye ya ewiyin obeya ma ye nyina oman ni nyina nti mama kan de achechre fa wa abanuma yare kire abanum moframaze anado manum mbaze woma ya fa komapa ajupa ni efa yet se de wara oba na rekire na aze madache ye mfaso zama obia
iti achechefo awowo oye St Nicholas school wo na ya otin kan kasa ye Madam Susanna Asedua Ewuzi ono na otin kan kasa na mo tele bi no kasa CCRA ono ya Madam Beauty Sam ono na oje award best teacher award Coastal Television Community Connect enyo nkobo nkomo mo wode ona de sete kakra ba woda to community aban ena onyi ache wonanyim na mepeda Madam Beauty Sika yes award winner na futu of the match chefo no papa yamfa komapa emshafo yamfa komapa yamfa nye dwuman na oye ye wo de trained teacher mua sabu tafeche oye nzeme bia tewlenti do wo fen teacher iya na ba mun kwace nin kala jimpo men ya da maji in kwafu kanipi wa kanipi is at end of the day no boshat in the basic school in onye government school onye private school wa catch BEC in social na private school candidate on an grade 6 in government school candidate on an 15-18. What is the secret? It was a secret in your brain. Senti participa basic school, government school oye abanu school a no ma chechefo bo we trained a ebaka watete won one quantity school watete won a wonyim kwana wo fado wo de charge oboko akache onsohwe nsoshen bebe wie yi no private school candidate or aggregate 6 na aggregate 10 and then 12 wa boda to yeah but government school a why yada aggregate 15 and then why yada aggregate 12 no why yada aggregate 12 no why yada that no 45 36 so assembly say be saying there sort the man ne senti nyo bien yeah butu baka de basa moframan edi no fa bi basa moframan ne fa bi basa wofo ye de ne fa bi basa chechirefo but ye wi a ye bada san kuruma wona no de ye de suyen mo ye na fam diye mandam sisen nti butus wa futu ye de ma chechirefo ni hwemo pa ye mfa koma na mo emi yo ende achechefo na lo wo slogan ho dada oh wo slogan ho de cheche yi bia na kuche wo heaven anemboa it is ye me ya do ma ende wo bo wa bado asasi da o tra wo ba ja kuche double oh yes wo ja kuche double e cha asasi du iwe akososo akaja empe ina pia bai ejuma be no nti madam Beatrice yada was ebushani na ye oye community connector Coastal Television ko pe mu ade sada mo pe yin nti Cape Coast Metropolitan CCMA da men sami na ya chichiri mu ehenti na ajire ka 8 years development plan ho the Anglican school now old post office ni cha na meche Wayek no opposite. Yes, old Wayek at the side. Old Wayek no opposite. The school notion every year be in suit a way. Every year be in suit a way. But the question is, CCME we want no money. What's I want say? CCME wa bane there asoni na go so good there but sanana the member who sabo se usini ye nchedan po abu de dado nti aseni ya school from wontinam what focus na mo tete na somewhere 2018 2020 na GMPC adawo maybe wo obi sisi unit classroom block with amount besinde lentin po wo mbe na kantem we kuri lentin po won boy na kantim weku Cape Coast Metropolitan Assembly CCM Honorable George Desisata nsami na num hienzi na adere ka 8 years development plan on the mid Nigeria Honorable Assembly member kan wasemi every year bia atebe nsuboto bia de sade community wo bere because nsun opompani fo bala onye gate bele mfam no aba fukuro nim ikonomi meya so na oba itutu emi nkai ekoso la ekoto aba yes ikonomi meya njana ebetno ma sadwa insafe yimpa sana yetu hana mala debi kra Debi na ebusia meyemfi ono nodo na yanko fifi manto busiafo onobu eduamo ochirpen yanko na hweye papa no wetu anomara a ode yebo na bado osande enye bia na obeye na on fanche mum yes on fanche oboton na me bi se yan wo den ko fa hen na wetu nwesi wo de na kodwuma amreye ni munjini obobam amede mede ko school feeding purposely for school feeding mo fan ko bebia me fam ko market bia mo onto nti school feed wo sika wo koto be yam fan the work it gwa be 10,000 Ghana cedi na same the mama school feeding 2,000 me mama school feeding 8,000 Ghana cedi an ye kura school feeding we save 2,000 Ghana cedi yes what about 10,000 na me se me ko me jehun 8,000 school feed will be save 2,000 school feed will be save 2,000 nse bu shema yanko honorable regional minister do am o chirpenyin bra otano mokro oye nankasa ne personal farm na no mu engineer wo mu no odrebo school feeding na nkomotwetwa okrodo yankohwe bem de sisia
Afriku mai na yami ya dum no mampai mama oyim de minjia na name mo central region na yenhwe mo man Ghana onfa ne tampamfra nkankan de ya ma yedom wonsa ko wonano deminsi intampa na yenya enanum bia wo ye garamse ya yenyo kasa wo wadwe de wen waje akwadwuma ho deminsi sese amenyo kasa de menanum wo be fufura wo ye adwuma akwadwuma ya bi na ode ye bo hwehwe asase wo che da asase no hia won nje benya aha asase be 100 acres yen swazi mu de ye bodwendua kwai no wase no nso de yetu yedwendua na yen ye kono yen ichirima wetum na woso wenya asase papa watena do na mamedwendua na ni ndua no kwa bodwendua de ban bafem ebro banchi breze na manken na de bafem that means ye na ye jitum na ebe man kasa mkan ono na ondu Afriku mpo e kan ebroze ye bu mpana ebien nsinda ha ye beginan ye breze wo ho onye ye ye ndua na aye fefefefe tede mo man kasa bu wen bani amina aduma ye gudu ye ndua na nkeka ho no orman na ziba na ye bedi sese beginan na ye KOFI a yamfa bro ankokra mini bags wode brogumi yamfa bi ankokra be 60 ye mbu wie mpo na se the man oman yotida no de ye na omampan na dawo ma wa mayen akwanje ye bomodin de ye de yin woboko ye mbabunu na ya hwe kwan bi bebi o wa de bia no nkwa ye kodwuma bia na o ye nsa no dwuma nsa wala ye bebi agya no hwede be ye ehwe ye nuanom ye mamemu ya wo he ya bra ye ba ha de ye be ye dwuma de bia wo baba ye dwuma nsa o ye na wonso boko wona no that means so ya kwana ye ba faro ye mama mbabunu wa ye dwuma mba no wa ye dwuma ebro ya na ye yin enje sama wo mi de Central Regional School Feeding Coordinator ha me yin bai ona so kan na ye adwuma yi me ne bade ebruwa ebe ye wo ha bia me hand over man onfa nko manu mesafo no nton ma won na won to nti se ebruwa na ye ebu na se ye kɔ na woda kɔ ye dzibe ebu de nze pa wom no edwan nduru wom no oi papa se ebruwa bia woda gu bi ma mbuwa na adza abem the man so na banch no so ebe ono so ebe chiu gari no wa hiyara na ye da kɔ ma school fee meta gatin de afi bɔkɔ na wie 2026 so bɔkɔ na wie no na Central Region School Feed na nkasa nyama wadututu we ban tomatoes na zaade no zo no ode be bia we school feeding bia yetum yam bi ehwe kontomire ya sensuo sana ye bo supply kontomire na zaade an ye kura no by March de no de yetu ye feed school feeding mo problem because mo fani ye ndachi za wodi hunya ye yin na na chin so ye ndua so beyin ma da chin so ye da bibi na ebinim so wonye adwuma ye nti me do man pan mama se do wa ma kwanja da me de sum na se men wa baji wo wiase pa me be ya onye MP amezida onye school amako no onye minister mede na manya kwanja dam na musuma adwendua anye kura afikui mundwendua kura madwendua be 8 acres another 80 acres ye adwendua etaku bi adua wo me over 400 na se mede mfi edonum na number kakra na madwendua bebebe dam a mokwa mechi be de pa o ngado de ye dija ye chimba nti woma obia nhwere obotum wa na family obia la ye minister ye di ye bro ye bu aye yen kra be 200 bags mini bags no ono nti ye fanda ye nuanum MP fo mezi bi da se obi asu ya kwanja na onso odwa bibi nkaka nkra am ye 200 MPs nkra no ministers nkra nuanum ministers Northern Region for the one wo ba bia wotu odwa hwa minister botum abu be 3,000 bags kra on the trust mo but obi o ane dun ye akwadwuma se ba bia won se bibi na botu garage bi na be create ama mo fa na wo so adwuma wetu a do tumi ye because no man pay that so there your man strife no or there bomodi de ne so adu bebem ne bi na yen ya be ye wo he nti mo so media fo inda ya mo twam mfonyin KOFI abotuma ye akwadwuma asase kura makada ya mo so magibi Mama bro and mebu. Most mun kwebi. No irinya kakra no no man no muri ede. Say yes ban no boy afo a nka na akai na nyame bohwe mu aye. Yedem ase.
Eti ebushafo onin Central Regional Minister Honorable Eko Ochiripenyin Eduamoa Ebusia eti ai de bia makade yewo oye Sunday nyame ni bibere obayen onye no kwa na sa regional minister fikurintem opportunity awenya no one said no odaye bibi papa we make use of it ma afinachi no hwende baya olufimo ba but ye mi se yen wo de ahen ye diri ye yende ye diri ye ni buye kompa ye yankwente onye ye yitu yankwente osande ye ye biale biala yam fasusu de biala nto de bi ebobu nkwente nti na jubezina asino oye honorable no farm wo da mo kasa also in school feeding coordinator central no ino krai da waso basemenko no ko hwe adwuma sadwa me ye no wi a ediba no ma tana ma hon na mo tan mo da mo bokọ oye village and market wakoto metso dalo fole me da ma hon na school feeding coordinator na so kase ebusuan kohwe coordinator ne nsema okan ni bi den hwamra
we are bring menya aja abrodu because anamonto minister started do to no menye na na eye adwuma intime ka ho bi na yebehu forest a okan there obema school feeding wetim wenya ediban papa bi na mmoframa no wedi no na me for there oya asem bi keke but in the menu aji because nenyu so ade hu na okan no wetim wa bem mama nkasa ye na yetim ye de yenwe hu ebro wa ye hu nche de ebro ne dross a ye nyendru baby ala nti ono 80 bags bi gide de ye betim ye nya be te de 300 or 400 bags a ye betim ye da mmoframa yi wo central region na sisia no menyi ji keso wo mi de onye ebro nkotin na mom no sisi a yehwe ye kira ye be wonde ye wo banchen ye wo brode nti ne ye benya nkontombre na ade na ada aka ho na ade keso wo mi de besiafo no wo fa nyema na aya wo firi nti wo firi a wotete won ma wotim wonya BP ma edwuma na abanda ma won sanso so ye won yareba ebi mutimi deka ma wotim krampo wo gwan edi free baby a wote nti enyi so a minister we nya no onye mmoframa na nkoten me as a coordinator no wa ha me kese wo sikasem nti eyi betima ama caterers ne so won ho ato won nti mesre de MMDC na DCs for no once wo be fa MPs wo be fa minister na nso ade hu wo central region na Ghana hanumi na mmom no yesim ye ne dem na obema ahoto abma ema on my penyin na ban na yepa ahoto no ni na yetim ya faye ntima pa efra ema school feed na ye krabehwe na nyitu kese owo mnye de central region wodi dimboni bi de to yade was school feeding do na minister mnyim de na adwuma pa oliye obema ye nkofa nde ye nua di bana ye ma moframa ye gigi skebi ema dimboni bi abaye do nemom wobehu de moframa no wodidi waye kesi wenyi waye mpanyimpa eyinye nyiso da minister da ba me so wa mewiabe menya agi febre na me ka che me colleague so de obi a oye regional coordinator bia no omfa ne ho mbone minister omfa ne ho mbo DCs MPs me ma onyi woni nya asem na so wo bibia wo pede wetim wo ya wetim waye ne ye da aboa mmoframa so wenye di bampa wezi
oba pen Janet Kwansa ma me yeda wase na mom kosa television ya hoyi kakane yen echi etibana wata ma hono mfanka o moframan won se so mfanko we fefi school fu moframu we etibana nyame na adumara watetu dalo fole wo tonumpa watu dalo fole wotere ma honan ko mi etiban papa fa moframu wunzi mu akoma nto won yem ne ya otu da man mo no so nhira onye kase yamrodo na ahode na mbra mfa ye adwuma echi obedi mesafo hunsem a wasesa wanwan de ban nketenkete odi tenketenkete odi guboluum oda mama fama na mata sebe wo ye di ban papa bi de ma hona ama na school feeding fana no ya botaye mo ho ya bo eboko pa say ya kare ko sa television no center focus here enwo no the baby ah the baby ah na ye mo da baka jama unwa ataw because my yet to school feeding is bad but she na with the man ade webubuodo nti abaka de ban wo mama ebusia empty containers no washira webubuodo no with that for taxi we wokwa ugbe yi kaka wetin kaka na ta with the na nembere boso ya ba ponwo nyina won wotam sa na ba na nsado hu na o de be no mpakura odwe nda ma adwe de be no o de madame nsado hu no o ye djuma na ebuhye de wa fam wo na nyimpe fe de se honorable regional minister oya opeyin akwa ochiripeyin edamoa otu da man mo ni na wa bra onya nyimpa papa oda no as a farm manager yes sa okwe no okodo win nya ode se ne nsare papa hwe na hwe wokesin wo adwuma ne ye hwe aman no okodo sampako na nkeka no anya adwuma na nchende wu nkubu ebulo wote da yes nchende rega minsa onjira do no nkere owo ndua 100 acres na so farm manager ya meka na akoma oye adwuma papa no nkoma ayen twetwe na nsama oken yankwa farm manager nsam no so bi da mbra
nse galamsey no oye nyome bia aban bo hu de ro se yenjae enje ese asase nti nyame ya adoma yenya se omanpin na sebio owotema mo man no owotema mo nimu nkrofo no na obende galamsey yen stop no se galamsey yen stop there na se His Excellency John Dramani Mahama this was the dam hye na abana fi sende anyame adoma honorable ekopin no che Central Regional Minister so etuma nya kwanja wa ben na we beja ame asase kese bi otedama na sa bende yen ya na me ode ejai galamsey no na fi be the management ne so be ya ndwe na ame yese no no ana ndwe no alse no ibetuma adua bi ahyem ne yen aduane am honorable kasa no ke bi de be nya aduane am school fun kwala dam ono ye azititru wa honorable ekopin no che aduamwa Central Regional Minister Odisneni so amama so kama kuma say honorable the we botanist neni so there and yes yes you galamsey no mfi am yebetu ehun so say yebetu ehun esu am honorable ana Ghana ma His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ne hyehyɛ ya ana de ni big push agana no ewie pɛyɛ
yes farm manager owejo medaspa na me de mase makanda daw de galamsey no it's about employment so the monk of ya mo na djuma different a ye bo hu da mpa Ghana rutompon it's about employment nti brajo ya de wase pa wa kokudu na hofama enya edi de medwuma otedam no mbo na ye na mom inwie wunuanom na ehunere ye galamsey mawo etumu esuo ma etere bo ma adwuma otedam rekodo ode nuanom so ayi ho kasa ode nuanom wote wase na wonyina obaka ho enya koduma nkote madarija ministers sebo kai no ode yeyi na ebu ekoduma no bi butuba yeduma fofor oda aboa nti brajo yede wase wo waso onsama edi amahin na ebusia brajo family nja akasa na che kwafuna nkasa so a asowon afunan banchiri wututu hu wututu hu wo ye mo ba ya ebo no ba ya browon ebusia ijahunu che onye yes ijahunu che ye na nyenye yene mesiafo yene maame no ma wonso mo oye fam ho enyo bonkomo enhwe nsema ho so wokan ni bi
Yeah, and be the bay. Wa boy and taking my ma, Ghana ma, wa boy mine ankasa, or the Juma ba or my ya and them ma, yes, so yan sakoyano, ye be fair ma, ya dana say, Yamisha no let Juman uncle de biana on ye be and share ma. Every day biana and San Koyano, ya dana say, ya papa, Yamisha no, wishing your phone and I see funala. Ebinka Ghana man nyinala school for nyinala o wiase nyinala aduane odekoma school for enim say bi beso me ametie me baso aso me nana no nyina so enti me dana say
eti ba me imo yetase da meda nan da me ye nyina no ebia onkan wo ba na mo wonu na wa kontum na ba wo ba bi Wunyankuna wa na babukwa kidibi. Ntaba me yede wase. Ewusia ye farm ekwafuna wo honorable regional minister ne farm no mu. Ono na yanyo bo nkomo wo kwana okafado kubu na egburu dema school feed nen. Ono no mu nkomo na anepe center focus yede esi wonyum. Ewusia dama me na basin kwai 31st ena NPP amanyoku woye ne de hihye ni mu no se wo power da wo abenima ncho no afekuntem na kuntem a wo bokoy election ena we flag bearer na mum wo position da odo we ni ntam na mpako no otumutwan no ha maganafo wotena ase nti da ni wo bu ekono to wo nyimpanum ugbo ekono to nyimpa enum na wa ina wa pere honorable Ken akompra ko Japan maamu wafa oda number 1 wa ba na champion oda number 2 Dr. Alhaji Mamudu Baumia oda number 3 Dr. oda number 4 na Kobreje Japan honorable engineer no so oda number 5 Minde abatu butu kra baby abefe bia constituency by constituency na ehihye oya kama de obia abanu wonto no pete police station or wabanu police station opete na waya ehihye kama na mamindin kan mombo Ghana police service mombo hona abado. Yes, Mindin Ghana police service for about the papa. Usanda minim baby the message any fee bay. Hey, one police station be police force in you cry 70 policemen. Wow. The police for those them. Na kekaya pa what the babu or abato ni urampa Ghana police service. Wabon madan nti yabada humase yabada Ghana police service fast papa wo menyina wodon ba oye abato no nti honi biala nala feed o na so yebenwa be kere krache po biala nala kakafo na nwa ho nti yabada humase yabada police fast na ebusia wa sha abato na ase ono de na all the chanting or the chanting Cape Coast Metropolitan Cape Coast North chairman na bottle da no chiro dikiti paper no ma no o ja ballot box name na on pagbe o siri giti o siri pagba da ma na yewie so otocho nkomo kama na ebusia abato ni na bewi memenda 2 o'clock na uklosi by 3:40 na chire bebiala abewi embiri baye 6:37 numun na Dr. Alhaji Mamudu Baumia na abatu komisa abonedin de ono na NPP a wo Ghana ha woto aba wodeman na ebusuan yankwohwe bra Dr. Alhaji Mamudu Baumia wudi clan ni wie nenim asama odutugwan yehwe bembre sisia
acting chairman of the party, the general secretary, distinguished members of the Council of Elders, honorable members of parliament, our minority leader, our hard-working national, regional, and constituency executives, electoral area coordinators, agencies, the Presidential Election Committee, the media, and the generality of the Ghanaian people. Your vote, your work, your coverage, and your general following have all contributed to getting us thus far. It is with a deep sense of pride and humility that I address you this evening, following what has turned out to be a blistering battle for the flag bearership of the new patriotic party. To secure anything precious in this life, we must be prepared to fight the hard battles, prepared to work hard, and be prepared to withstand difficult circumstances. I am glad that you and I have successfully fought the hard battles, worked hard, and withstood the difficulties that came our way. And tonight, victory is for all of us. I am grateful. The MPP is grateful to you all, and Ghana is grateful. I need to reiterate from the outset, our tradition has an enviable history of selecting leaders largely based on the mood of the party. At any point in time, our party unites around an individual, usually the best bet for national elections and governance. This individual usually emerges meritoriously on account of loyalty and contributions to party growth. It is our members' way of rewarding loyalty, vision, competence, and sacrifice. Our members have done this meticulously and repeatedly. As democratic space setters, we need to respect the wisdom and the decisions of our members represented by the delegates. It matters not which side you supported. Winners and those who didn't win at this particular time, we are in this together. All true and committed members of the great MPP need to embrace this civilized and time-tested way of selecting flag bearers. Political parties are assemblies of like-minded people. Whilst we may believe that our ideas are the best, we should be prepared to accept that there might be other ideas that may serve the larger interests of the party. As it is often said, after competition comes cooperation, and our expectation that all party members will apply themselves to this principle. It cannot be the case that one's support for the party is maintained only when those we support lead. I want to stand on this energy to make a passionate appeal to all members of the great MPP to let go of whatever reservations they have and come together. We need every idea, every voice, and every piece of advice to help us preserve and project a proud tradition bequeathed to us by our forebears. Let it not be said anywhere on any day that the party of B.J. Darochi, Peter Alagete, Odoy Sykes, J. Kufuor, Professor Mike Okwe, C.K. Tedham, J.H. Mensah, Aliu Mahama, Nana Addo Akufo-Addo, among other great patriots, could not handle disagreements as natural ways of stating alternative positions. I have the duty to the delegates who stood by me and to the delegates who found worthy ideas in my brothers who contested me. My election today communicates a broad-based appeal across the party, and I need to draw directly on that capital to unite the party as one of the crucial steps to winning power in 2028. I call on all to join in this bounden duty. After all, as the Akans say, prayer se uyi bako ana ebu ukaboma emu. United we stand and divided we fall. As we embark on this crucial journey to rebuild our brand and reposition our party for electoral glory, let me remind you, dear party members, that whatever we have gone through during the past few months is not new in the politics of Ghana. We have been through this on a number of occasions, and on each of them we have shown we have even emerged. We have shown that we have the resilience and fortitude to overcome and even emerge stronger, and herein lies the opportunity. Fellow Crocodites, the data shows that anytime the MPP is solidly behind the chosen flag bearer, the Ghanaian voter returns the favor by voting massively for our usually superior and life-changing policies and programs. We cannot therefore fail ourselves or Ghanaians. On this crucial point, I will undertake targeted engagements to revitalize our party, speaking with all members. This includes visits to some of our respected elders who for various reasons feel aggrieved. Every voice matters. Every opinion is worth considering, and every suggestion is vital to building a formidable strategy. To the youth of our party, the outcome of this contest rightly belongs to you. We will not be at the helm of affairs forever. The future of our party rests on your energy, dedication, and desire to see a vibrant political vehicle. Anytime the youth groups in the party rise, the great elephant soars. To the millions of our supporters and sympathizers nationwide, I know some of you refrained from voting in the last election because you were unhappy with several issues. We have started the process of reform. I assure you, Mahmoud Bawumia as flag bearer will do everything to ensure that the MPP listens more to you, is more mindful of your views, and is more reflective of your desires. We have a duty to bequeath a vibrant party to you, as was done to us. I am going to immediately work with the relevant recognized party structures to roll out a series of engagement sessions with various youth groups, both formal and informal, across the length and breadth of the country, to enable the development of a formidable youth platform that will be resourced for the task ahead. One of the most important things I'm interested in is discipline within our ranks. An army that lacks discipline will struggle to win its battles. The MPP needs to step up discipline internally. discipline in our operations, discipline in our communications, and discipline in the conduct of our members. The days when it was said of us that some displayed untoward behavior to the Ghanaian people should be a thing of the past. I will work closely with the national leadership to ensure that discipline is restored as the hallmark of the NPP. Let us celebrate in moderation. We must avoid actions that are more likely to compound tensions than to forge unity. As far as I am concerned, everybody has won. I urge all patriots to reach out to one another, place phone calls, and send WhatsApp and text messages to make personal visits. We have what it takes to reorganize and achieve a resounding victory in 2028. Let me extend heartfelt thanks to my campaign teams and volunteers at every level for staying focused throughout this period. I would also like to express my appreciation to the security agencies and all media houses. In particular, I want to express my heartfelt thanks to my beautiful wife, Samira. She has been a solid pillar to me in this campaign. Tonight, I pay tribute to my predecessors, Professor Albert Edubuahi, John Ajekum Kufuor, and Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo. I say thank you to every contestant for participating in this race and for giving delegates an opportunity to make an informed choice. I say a special thank you to the members of Parliament who championed my bid, both in Parliament and in their various constituencies. I will never forget what you have done for me, and I will never forget you. Thank you to all the polling station executives, electoral area coordinators, constituency executives, regional executives, former members of Parliament, former party executives, all former MMDCs and government appointees, to our religious leaders and clergy across the country. Thank you. To my youth campaign team and the teeming young people across the country who championed this campaign from day one in the various communities, campuses, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, I say thank you. You remain my allies on this journey. Together, we will get this done. We still have a way to go, but the youth have proven that given the opportunity, they can conquer the world, and I believe in you. The polls have ended, but our push for a stronger NPP has just begun. With Almighty God, we shall succeed. The journey to victory 2028 has just begun. We are in this together. We shall work together, and we will win together. We shall work together, and we will win together. God bless you. God bless the New Patriotic Party, and God bless our homeland, Ghana. Thank you very much for your attention.
Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia ma sadwa kenzi nyibia bakasa no pepe aken kenzi pepe bia zobo tu fom boko ona no doctor that tu for me ebusafo mpeyifo da afinachi abofun bia la nyiwo efi nechi abofunu bi anyi now after election no campaign mejo kum no kan after election no campaign nti watu abewie no ebusua echi ekuriye ne yehwehwe na eyije sami de NDC National Democratic Congress oye chairman Johnson asedun kete de nsa ne katai oda kama MPP amanyi ku mbo ne ye mbo ne ye pa na oda mo hon na wa kire me de watu abewi a wanti party members jere bibia is smooth oh wow nti eni samanye kwala mpala wacho kati ya beyade nata Dr. Alhaji Mamudu Bawumia nansama okan osidu bopo the say sir wo hwekriye now they keep face 2028 wo hwekriye now they keep face 2028 nti MPP fo wan sampa nti busia ma dano mimi ndo krodo nyalan na wieyi na Dr. Alhaji Mamudu Bawumia ode abotu onyim ebusia mama na mo mbra ya baade obakata bakansa na pod ye de babra ho ansa na da kwa wieyi yem kwamna sisi a
Mido, Ghana Biana. I'm going to be able to do everything. I'm going to be baby shit. Mangashi.
Junior!
I'm saying so enough for maybe the no.
Sister Cospa, it's a winning gas.
I'm using the why.
Why?
Down Yankana wa.
Sister Cos. Use gas. Gas ye fast, ye easy, ye convenient. Wow.
LPG, let me see your hand. Ooh, I got yeah.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
Some more kwaba mo atrase mo Coastal Television no de getania 514 channel 54 you go TV do na every do boka ata ya bakansa na por mi tetew na ewia nkomotwetwe iboko do sesi a mi entetew na yemfa nkomotwetwa aboko no so yemfa mbra ho na yentia do sesi a tetew mama for daily graphic medase kokrokunala iyo Ghana man pay na fa shas daily graphic name wo oye fedodo Alhaji Mamudu Bawumia waji do full group na asemo dey mind Bawumia set site on 2028 into daily graphic ma other bain daily graphic no so wana odi oye Ibrahim Mahama no fayin dem no osi UMAT wa confess honorary doctorate zama oye owura Ibrahim Mahama nti da the worker tem so other bayin ebusia graphic business aba na graphic business obe no ode Ghana commercial bank sisari watre wante benem wokɔ bibirim no yin Asia nti o kire sisi Ghana commercial bank nya Ghana ho kwete na wo nti ehwehwe wo bibirim a ebokɔ akoto papa political Ghana politics medasi do boka ten so wa begwado Ghana politics aba odi omampan John Dramani Mahama no fayin no dem ena odi ni nua Ibrahim Mahama no so no fayin dem na odi oye vice president Professor Jenna no Pokwajiman no so no fayin odaso na mo kan de president was set of oroko oye official trip with Dubai 2026 global conference global governance summit no oroko nti omampan another we tefi Ghana ha oroko ekedi da modun and America say Dubai abono nti damana de obaka Ghana politics oraka Ghana politics so there Ibrahim Mahama na no so mining journey na no so highlighted oye University of Mines and Technology UMAT no so wa bona bado wo oye doctorate Daily Democrat de obaka tena abegwado Daily Democrat of the Dr. Lagman ba omeni mfanyin aba mfanyin ekoso kan oye obo obidakun no so mfanyin do ode owura samoje mfanyin mfanyin do ena ode mfanyin fofo so that kan waso oye fedodo Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia leads MPP to 2028 defeat. Are Democrat ten mano or the Bayan. Name sure wana Obobi da kuno leads oye specialist care expansion. International ma Doboka tenu or the Abay. Naswana ena chapter Udema oye one inaugurated Dr. Siao in Japan. One so umfeina or the Abayan. Ebushembe niti mamunko the campaigner the boka tena bugwado na Angela and no so let's set record street no so while set record street no nti ebushia dada campaigner no so mo the band Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia fayin dem o se MPP amanyoku yankambum o hye nkabum wo 2028 abana ebekwa akoto no nkabum abadodo nti no so ma other bayin ebusuyan ko the evening mail the doctor no furugun ya fedodo na ehwa na you change your star ne fedodo alaji ne star ne fedodo ete no so ma other bayin ano ase the evening mail ano say it's DMP for 2028 Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia for 2028 national ma other bay session news and the pay waba na session news ano ma ode abotum no kura na ebeni ya advert no peroye ebuso yenko the Ghanaian Times no si MPP retains Bawumia iyo chamambute no so na asema orekan no fragan no frankan wa ma no fe Daily Guide and the pay waba godo no be no se Bawumia grabs clear victory with 56%. It's the Bokatanu ma no so other ben court no wa reject Attorney General ni objection wo oye amendment court reject into Daily Guide the Bokatanu so ma other ben nana adodan kwa akofado no so oreka MP amanya ku bomde Bawumia wa bana de hina yakọ na yenta nature papa ebusen yanko the custodian the Bokatanu ben no osi Bawumia is the chosen one. Oye fedodo ampa mbo chosen one nti no so ma odi abayin. Delegates us MPP elect Bawumia for 2028 polls with 56.5%. Ebusia mo obayin. The new center no so mo other buying Bawumia. The publisher Bawumia season 2. Bawumia season 2. No so ma odi abayin. Wins MPP 2028 flagship with decisive victory. Nti ono Who are making for in that or yeah the publisher now so no so more kind of what God told me about MPP elections failed. Hey, one or can prophet when it be mad apologizes. Oh yeah, all of my uncle catch and one no chere adason. It will say bit the monk common. A bit of monk common pa na awo nkomotwetwe berba ma monyen toto. The statement the work at so or that daybreak. Ibusano so odaba prophet each prophecy drops. It's a prophet uchi. Aha, no prophecy what drops. It's asem will be saying prophet uchi prophecy drops. Yes or no? It's the work at tenoma or the bane. Ebusuame benaya be nemum yakodo chronic name wa police refuse 120,000 volatile cocaine bribe. The monk yet in the Namana or you work at the chronicle or the Abutuba. It was some fast that's on common farmer desert gift shop. Also, Tadina Chadi, Monfast then be so, Monfama or king of the universe that can call better materialism. As an be so comma or a Jumukua MPA National Petroleum Authority. Also, use gas the affordable. Now gas yara and a finger linking fast food and catering services. We use Monday, Munifi, it's a bandindi or you would down me to Metafer one somewhere. It's a finger linking fast food and catering services. Okay, Moko and the pay what they one on one what they will say in us. It was your shade the moment when I share a blow a hinway yado. No faster than my Uncle Ben, no in Bridge, Wabo seminar, which is Chimney Finiso, what they am hini. It was ever from Kitikeku. ASORBA KOFI ESSUMAN and the payment muacho.